Thank you for allowing RoadReady Solutions to be a part of your regulatory compliance solution. This tutorial will show you how to run the miles by state report, which is necessary for IFTA filing, the International Fuel Tax Agreement. Once logged into the admin portal, hover over Travel, click on Miles by State, select your date range, typically the quarter prior for IFTA purposes, April through June in this case. Click Submit. The system will generate the data. The data is presented first in graphical form by state, next in tabular form by vehicle, finally in tabular form by state. The data can be copied and pasted or transferred to Excel, CSV, or PDF. We'll transfer to Excel, and we have our data in tabular form ready for input into the International Fuel Tax Agreement database. The fuel data is a function of the drivers entering the data in their app and necessary for the calculation of miles per gallon. Thank you for using RoadReady Solutions.